Let's talk about a gait impairment measure, the 4-meter gait velocity test. The 4-meter gait velocity test is a standardized, quantifiable measure of gait speed, which can be measured both at a comfortable or self-selected and fast walking speed, depending on the beneficiary's individualized presentation. The 4-meter gait velocity test has a high correlation with other measures of gait distances between 8 and 20 feet, and can therefore be converted to feet per second for normative data analysis. This test allows the clinician to categorize an individual as a functional or limited household and community ambulator. The equipment needed to complete the 4-meter gait velocity test include masking tape or paper tape, 4 pieces, a tape measure, preferably with metric designations, and a stopwatch. To set up the 4-meter gait velocity test, first, identify an unobstructed floor space. Then, using tape, mark a start line on the floor as line number 1. Measure an acceleration zone of 1 step to 3 meters based on available space and place a piece of tape at this distance on the floor as line number 2. Next, measure the test distance of 4 meters and place a piece of tape on the floor as line number 3. Then, measure a deceleration zone of 1 step to 3 meters and place a piece of tape at this distance on the floor as line number 4. Test completion. Instruct the individual being tested to walk at a comfortable or fast pace from before the start line, number 1, to the end line, number 4, using a stopwatch time from when the patient's leading limb or toe crosses the test distance line, number 2, until the leading limb crosses the end test distance line, number 3. Be sure the individual does not stop at line number 3 and continues to walk to line number 4 to ensure deceleration does not occur in the test distance. To calculate gait speed, take the test distance of 4 meters and divide it by the time it took to complete the test in seconds.